Hello, and welcome back to Ashley U Life. In today's class, we're going to talk about Color Street. Now this review has been a long time coming. For one, because I've tried Color Street in the past. It was one of the first sticker press-on nails that I had really used in a very long time since I was like a little kid. And I loved them so much, but I didn't really do a review on them at the time, and I'm not quite sure why. But since then, I've reviewed many other kinds of press-on and sticker nails. The second reason this is a long time coming is because, well, I'm sure Kaylee can agree, that she sent me some nails a while ago, and I have not reviewed them yet. And so we are going to review them today. Kaylee is a girl that I met on Instagram. She messaged me because she saw that I had a passion and love for all things press-on and sticker nails. And so she messaged me and was like, oh my gosh, I found you on Instagram and I saw that you loved like press-on sticker nails too. And she's like, have you tried Color Street? They'll change your life. And then I told her I had, but I just hadn't reviewed them yet. Why? I don't know. And so we got to talking, and then she's like, I'm gonna send you some nails. And I was like, okay. And so here we are. And I just feel like my nails weren't in the condition that I wanted to put the sticker nails on. Like, I was okay putting press-on nails because it made your nails look longer, but like with the sticker nails, I mean, it's just your actual nail that you're using, and every time I wanted to put them on and review them, I felt like I chipped a nail, and I was like, no, I can't do it. So today I feel like my nails are in pretty good shape to do the sticker nails, so I thought, well, let's do it. No time like the present, and let's do it before I chip another nail. So this is how she sent me the nails, in a cute little envelope. There's a little sticker on it. She's adorable. I love it so much. And I haven't even opened them yet. I don't even know what the nails look like. She said she was sending me Tokyo lights, but I kind of wanted to look at them for the first time on camera with you. So let's get to the nails. Oh, little card that says you're the best. You're the best, Kaylee. Thank you so much for sending me the nails. Okay, should I look at the nails? Ooh, they're pretty and they're sparkly and they're glittery. My favorite thing on anything is glitter. Let's look at her little card. Ashley. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Can't wait to hear what you think of Color Street. Tokyo Lights is everything. Love, Kaylee. I can't wait to try either. I'm super, super excited. Thank you so much for sending these to me. She also put in a little card with her name and info. I'll put her Instagram in the description below, so if you haven't tried them yet, I would definitely give them a try, and if you don't know who to buy them from, you can check Kaylee out on Instagram. And then this card also has directions on how to do the nails. So inside this little nail package, you get the nail prep pads, and you get a little file, and of course you get the nails. So I'm going to start out and do my thumb with you, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my nails inside, and then we'll come back and talk about it. So we're going to use the little pad to prep the nail. Then you grab your size, you peel off the little plastic part, then you pull off the polish with that little tab right there. Ta-da! Then you peel off the tab, don't need that anymore. Then you fit it to your nail. And you kind of stretch it to fit it, and then once it's down, and you can kind of just peel it away, or you can file it down. And just like that, you have a beautifully glittered, polished, non-wet nail. You can immediately do things and you won't ruin your nail polish. It's amazing. And it looks so good. I love this sparkle. Okay, I'm gonna go finish this inside and watch a little Netflix while I do it. So I'll be right back. And just like that, I have glitter nails and I feel so much better. Oh, I just feel a little bit just more put together, pulled together, and I did them all myself. And I looked on the Color Street website from her link in her bio, and these glitter nails go for about $13. And the other nails range around that price too, depending on what you're getting. But they always have deals. Like right now, they have a buy 3, get 1 free for colors, glitters, and designs. And then they have a buy 1, get 1 free for French manicure. So there's always deals like that going on to lower the cost just a little bit on these nails. But let me tell you, so far, these are the best sticker nails that you can buy. I tried those Dashing Diva ones that you can like buy at Target. I just really wasn't impressed because I had tried these before, and then I tried those ones, and there was just, I don't know, they were a little rubbery. There was something about them I just didn't like. Feel free to watch the review on that. They are a little bit cheaper, but again, sometimes you get what you pay for, and I would much rather have the Color Street nails than those nails any day. So these are highly recommended. Buy them, wear them, and love them too. I don't think you will be disappointed. If you're interested in trying them and you're not sure really who to buy from, again, Kaylee's link is in the description below, and check her out on Instagram. I think you'll love them. And that's it. I love Color Street. So go get some Color Street nails. Let's all feel a little bit more put together during this quarantine. But before you do, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. So today I definitely have a quarantine look going on. I have the super fun half top bun, and I did my 5-minute quarantine makeup that I just showed you in my last class. If you haven't watched that yet, go check it out. And if you are interested in all things hair, makeup, life hacks, I do classes weekly. So please do make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, because that's what lets you know when I upload a new class, so you don't miss out on any of the fun. See you soon. And again, Kaylee, thank you so much for reaching out and for the nails. I love them so, so much. And when I buy Color Street in the future, it's definitely going to be from you. So thank you so much. And I'm so glad we're Instagram friends. What a cool world we live in. See you on Instagram.